When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we have a giant box, a gigantic giant box to unbox, and I have literally no idea what's inside. Well, this just looks like a splat to you guys. Let me turn the box around so that you too may enjoy the logo, because I got a giant box delivered to me from Gushers. From literal fruit Gushers. Almost said melts in your mouth, not in your hand. That's not their slogan. Does Gushers have a slogan? The colors. No, the colors. Duke the Colors was popsicles. What is the Gushers slogan? I should know because they sent me a big old giant box. So yeah, we're gonna cut it open. I have no idea what's inside. I hope it's... Oh my God, you guys. I just got done filming a video for Graveyard Girl on actually one of the most terrifying pieces of exercise equipment I've ever done. That video is probably up by now, but it just jiggles your whole brain. I definitely feel weird after using it, so maybe check the info box down below if you want to see my brains get jiggled out of my skull. I don't know what's inside of it. I hope it's nothing that can expire too quickly, like ice cream or something, because this has been sitting all nice and wrapped up for, if I'm being honest, probably a week. I was just waiting for like a good moment where I could like sit down and film this video with you guys, because I know we cut open a lot of weird boxes on this channel. That's just something you and we do together. So I kind of just wanted to like share the experience. And so that's what we're gonna be doing today. But before we get slicing and dicing, you know what time it is. It's that time that I remind you guys, if you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hang out with me, stay a while, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad. And also, when you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, and be sure and select all. And that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video to this channel. Also, shameless self-promo, follow me on TikTok. Let's get slicing! I had no idea Yoplait made Gushers. Yoplait? I thought they just did yogurt? Perhaps Go-Gurt? I feel like I have like kind of chaotic energy today because I'm not gonna lie, the butt jiggling machine, it really like kind of made me feel weird, and then I started to worry about it. Let's look at the Gushers. Oh no. Oh no, there's a box in a box with bubble wrap around it. I hope that this is the poppable kind of bubble wrap. Ooh. Is this like soothing ASMR? Probably not. I bet there's some people that are into that, you know? Ooh. Oh yeah. What? Oh my God. Okay, I'm glad I didn't like slice. There's like a tackle box. I feel like, oh gosh dang it. My phone is charging in another room. I wish you guys could see what I see. I hope I'm gonna be able to lift this with my little weak, gangly arms. No, no. Oh my God. You know what? We're gonna have to cut it out. We're gonna have to, I need this box. Hang on. I'm gonna have to call in for backup. There's literally like a Gusher tackle box in here. Like that's the only way that I can describe it, is it looks like a huge caboodle or a tackle box. Do we have a tackle box full of Gushers? Can you imagine? Like I just go camping or fishing or whatever, and the only supply I bring is just a giant tackle box of Gushers. That's why I would be the first to in a horror movie, you know? Me and my tackle box of Gushers. Sound effects. It's a tackle box of tackle box of Gushers. 30-quart Ingle cooler with a Gushers logo on it. Let's open it up, you guys. This gets more exciting, and also I am more afraid that this is something that required refrigeration. Oh no, it is. Oh no. Oh, it smells like yogurt. Oh no. Oh, what did I do wrong? This is really sad. I'm an idiot. Oh gosh dang it. I had no idea that Gushers yogurt was happening. And that's what it is, you guys. That's why they mailed it in a cooler. Yogurt. Yogurt by mail. Unrefrigerated week-old yogurt. Oh, I'm an idiot. Well, here we go, you guys. Oh my God, it sounds so delicious too. Look at that, new yogurt. Okay, this is now an expired yogurt haul, you guys. Make your own recipe. Oh my God, okay. What? Sweet and spicy Gushers? There is literally a recipe? Yo play Gusher Froyo bites? Ah! This is an adjustable, I can't talk. This is an adjustable shoulder strap to carry the cooler. Well, we do have some delicious Gushers in here, you guys. Oh my God. I can't get over it. Oh my God, it's a silicone mold. Oh, I guess so that's, you could make your little yogurt bites. And we have more Gushers. So many more Gushers. You guys, they came out with like Galactic Gushers last year. I think they were called Galactic Gushers. And there was supposed to be like a mystery flavor that you could guess. And those were so good. I don't think they make them anymore because I do think it was like a limited time. Because I think it was like a contest. Like, guess the mystery flavor. This is not sponsored by Gushers, by the way. I just literally, I thought that there was no way that I thought that this was going to be expired yogurt today, folks. But we do, oh, what is this? Is this a Gushers tote bag? Oh my God. I'm like so excited about everything that's like not, it's a Gushers apron. What the frick? Okay, that's very exciting. Oh my God, okay. And I don't know what this is. This is probably, no. Okay, I thought this was gonna be an ice pack. Oh look, I can pick up the cooler now that it's empty. That had a lot of stuff in it. I'm trying to cut open this mysterious silver thing. I kind of want to make a sweet and spicy. Oh my God. Is that the yogurt? Oh, yep. We found the yogurt. Oh, this is not cold anymore. They did send it with like the cold packs. But yeah, here's, oh, yep. Smells like week-old unrefrigerated yogurt. But you guys, these do look so exciting. Gushers bursting with beads. Green apple is a flavor that they make. And then tropical punch. And then blue raspberry. Look at that. Okay. I thought this was gonna be the yogurt, but let's cut it open and find out. What is this? It's like a plastic Gusher. I don't know what I'm looking at, you guys. Every jar I pull out just makes me more confused than the last. Okay, we're just gonna break it down. We're gonna make it nice and easy here. This is, I don't know. I do not know what this is. What is this? Maybe a stand of some sort? Okay, can confirm. Probably a stand. And then I have this, which I guess is like a speaker maybe? It looks like some sort of, it's just like a permanent white noise maker, and the only sound it plays is just people continuously eating Gushers. Came with these 3 jars that look like, oh, powdered sugar. It says right there. Well, you guys, I feel like today's video unfortunately was a little bit of an epic fail. And it's all my fault because suddenly I'm just looking down and I don't know what a Bluetooth speaker is. And also I cannot believe that like one of the times that I'm not just like ripping open packages immediately is the time that I get sent yogurt. Honestly, these recipe cards like get me excited for another video that I'm hopefully finally gonna be able to do. I feel like I've been talking about this for months. I feel like I've been preparing for this for months. Maybe I went ahead and kind of like told you guys like what I was actually planning, but I bought a freeze dryer machine, like a food freeze dryer machine, and I've literally been like preparing for this for 3 or 4 months at this point. Like I ordered the machine in early August, like before my birthday. So basically like end of July, early August, I ordered a freeze dryer because originally I had planned, I wanted to do like a 4-episode mini series on my main channel for the month of October for Vlogoween, where I was gonna try and like freeze dry all of these different Halloween candies, because I thought it would be really cool. Because you guys, when you put like candy and stuff in a freeze dryer, it looks amazing. Like I've seen people take like a single trolley octopus gummy and you put it in the freeze dryer and like one little gummy will come out like the size of your hand. Like it truly looks amazing. And I guess I'm thinking about it again now because of the Froyo bites, because you can put all kinds of food in a freeze dryer, like ice cream or pudding or yogurt or anything, and you can make these little like freeze dried yogurt bites. So that would have been really cool to put Gusher yogurt into a freeze dryer. But you guys, I have been having just a wild ride with the freeze dryer machine. Like it finally got here. It's like running late to begin with because I was definitely supposed to get it in October, but the machine didn't come until November. And then the first machine we got, you guys, came broken. Like it won't even go through its like test phase. Like you have to put it through this like tester. It's crazy. There's like pumps. You have to hook up tubes. You have to do all this like machine testing. The first machine was broken. So now we have to like wait for them to send like a replacement machine. So needless to say, those videos didn't happen in October, and now I'm still gonna do it, but I guess I'm just gonna do like random stuff, which is not that big of a deal because when do I ever do anything on time in a timely, relevant manner? Literally never. But yeah, I don't know, you guys. I feel like this video is kind of a mess. Oh my gosh. Plus it's like super late at night. It's been a long time since I've been filming it. It's 3:30 in the morning. Oh, you guys, what has this vlog turned into? I had fixed my sleeping schedule and now it's clearly not fixed. It's not fixed anymore. I feel bad. This is not sponsored. I know I've already said that, but I don't know. It is like I will never not be grateful. Is that what I'm trying to say? I'm always grateful and excited to receive PR, and it's especially fun to get like the I almost said like the weird kind of PR, but I feel like this is kind of like the out of the box stuff, like where like I had Cheetos send me PR once and they sent me like a stuffed Chester cheetah, and I think it was around Halloween time when they sent that too, so they also sent like a little like storybook of the cheetah going trick-or-treating. He was like a vampire. It was very cute. It was very cute. But you know, like the weird, I feel like I've gotten other food PR and it's just fun. I don't know. I follow a lot of like snack pages on Instagram, so I wonder if that's how they found me. It was so random. Like I'm like, how did I get so lucky as to get the Gushers PR? I don't know if anyone's gonna care about this video because I couldn't test anything. I don't know what this video is. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today anyway, and for watching. And I think it's time for me to go to bed, even though I know I'm not gonna go to bed right away because, oh my God, you guys, we started a new K-drama and it's on Netflix. I think it's like a Netflix original K-drama and it's called Crash Landing Into You, I think. It's been so long since I've had like a K-drama that I was so excited about, because ever since they got rid of the service, you guys, I used to subscribe. I don't remember if it was called Drama Fever or something. It was like it was a service like Netflix that you could subscribe to, but it was all for like K-dramas, J-dramas. Oh my God, it was so good. It was so good. And then randomly one day I got an email and they were like, thanks so much for your support, but like, we're shutting the whole company down today randomly, and then like you just don't have the service anymore. I don't know why they shut down. Like literally why. I feel like K-dramas are kind of at the height of popularity right now, so I have literally no idea why this service just up and like poof. I've never had an experience like that before where I'm just like subscribing to something, and it was like the middle of the month too, and they were just like, sorry, we're refunding everybody, bye. So yeah, that's sad. But anyway, if you like K-dramas, we are like 4 episodes in and it is so good so far. I'm so excited to see where it goes. And now this video has just gotten completely and totally random, so I'm gonna go. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!